Neo yuma mbica mucemanio-ini wa guthura aria mekurugamirira kiama kia Jubilee kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, arumiriri amwe a Jubilee magikaya ati mwena ungi ni ukumakungaga wara. O ni thutha wa mwena umwe kwenda guthura arugamiriri makiria gukira miena iyo ingi, mugaru na mubango wa gucagura andu na njira njigananu. No thutha-ini gikundi kimwe kiria kiratongorio ni mubunge wa Nyeri Town Esther Murugi kiugire ati miario ni tabanirio gatagati ka ikundi icio igiri na ati ciaiguanira aria mekurugamirira Jubilee kaunti-ini ya Nyeri.
And it was equally shared. The only one seat that is missing from that equation is a person with a disability who will be provided by either group. I think we'll have to work out a formula of how we get that one.
Yeah, as aspirants, we had come here because we wanted free and fair elections. And I don't know why these people are arguing about the formula. The formula doesn't matter.
And support the few 19 who are going to be the interim committee, knowing that in next year, after elections, we will be having another party elections.
No gikundi kingi kiria kiranyita mbaru gavana wa Nyeri Nderitu Gachagua ni kireganire na aria marerekana guthurwo. Gikundi gia Gachagua riu gikienda githurano kiu gicokerwo.
Now, why would somebody want to bring a list that was agreed last night where we were? People are not consulted. You cannot cheat the people of Nyeri. So we start by that formula, 3 people per every constituency, and people, Jubilee headquarters should be told, even if they come next week, that is what it's going to be. If they want to come, they should be prepared that every constituency in this county is equal.
Pia tunataka kusema tumekataa hiyo na hakuna majina itakubaliwa hata kidogo. There is a disarray. There are no elections that have been conducted, and there is no list that have been consolidated, and therefore the whole process must be repeated again.
Kaunti-ini ya Kiambu onakuo ni kuma na ngucanio miena imwe ikiregana na maritwa maria marerikana kuiguithanirio. Aria matenetikirio kuingira thiini wa mucemanio wa githurano kiu nao mateta makiuga matigwitikira maritwa maria maheanirwo.
Hakuna uchaguzi mwingine wako. Kama si hakuna uchaguzi. Hii uchaguzi inafanywa na mtu akona risiti kama hii. Kama huna risiti kama hii. Utakuwa na zile ya mdomo. Hakuna kuchaguana. Na hiyo ni final.
No ona kuri uguo amwe maugire ati githurano kiu kiuma kiega ati tondu wa Jumbe ni maraiguithanirie maritwa mau na ati aria megutetaga ni aria matanarumirira mutaratara.
No gutingikiaga mundu umwe ringi urenda mundu wake utanaingira no gwenda kwira andu ati githurano gia Kiambu kia Jubilee kiuma kiega muno.
Umuthi tugukaga o kuhitukia maritwa maria already twaiguithanirie na koguo hakwa maritwa maria twahitukirie ta members of parliament nimo mathomwo na tureciria acio nĩ meguthondeka kiama thiini wa Kiambu county guthie na mbere.
Ithurano cia aria mekurugamirira kiama kia Jubilee ikiro-ini cia county cikarika muthenya wa rucio county-ini iria citari ciratabania ithurano icio. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.